How to fix CapCut sound problem. What's up everybody? If you have sound problem on your CapCut, we're gonna fix this problem now. Let's do it. So you should open the settings of your mobile phone, click on apps options and search for CapCut. Click on CapCut like that, and here you will see this list. Go directly, click add storage, click clear cache, and you have to back, then click on force stop and click OK. So come to Play Store or App Store, update your CapCut and restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you in another tutorial.